Para nang pumuntang Rustans, tapos
Assembly mo, it becomes
Yeah.
Avengers. Ooh. What's up, Fragrance family? This is your boy Armin, and this is my co-host for today's episode.
Parents.
Welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranya! We tried to gather all the Avengers, no? Boss Terence?
Avengers! Assemble.
All Avengers yata to, si Patchouli 01. By the way, this is from the brand of Swiss Arabian, and this is...
Patchouli 01.
Grabe. Alright. I'm so excited to give you guys about our review about sa itong scent na to. Is it really worth it ba? Or is it just parang a basic scent lang siya? We'll do our first impression muna. Although naamoy na namin to ni Boss Terence. Naamoy na namin to, si Patchouli 01. Okay. Oh my God. It's a blast of citruses. Grabe yung citrus nyo. Parang may konting mandarin. May konting lemony. Yung bergamot niya, may pagka-juiciness. It's a well-blended bergamot. Ano naamoy mo sa umpisyal?
Ikaw, hinimay mo kaagad eh.
Oo.
Ako, marami akong naalala eh.
Ano naman ka naalala mo?
Hindi notes ha, mga pabango. Okay?
Akala ko baka naalala mo yung mga ibang bagay sa mga
Ay,
exes
hindi.
mo.
Well, up front, naalala ko ang YSL Myself line.
Oo. Actually, yes. It has that DNA ng myself. Eh.
Napansin mo angat yung cardamom?
Very prominent ang cardamom sa umpisa.
It kinda reminds me of YSL La Nuit de l'Homme Blue Electric.
Oo. But hindi, tanggalin mo yung chocolate aspects ng La Nuit de l'Homme. It's just the cardamom lang na may
Yes.
pagka-patchouli.
Yung patchouli niya, hindi siya yung parang dirty patchouli, no?
No.
Hindi siya earthy eh.
Hindi rin siya chocolatey, cakey na patchouli. It's more on the
Parang
green
herbal,
leaf.
no?
Oh, herbally.
And it
Leafy.
also,
Very fresh.
alam mo yung paradigm ng Prada?
Oh, alam ko
Green
yung para.
bottle.
Oh, very familiar ako.
Yung parang aromatic, mga spicy niya, parang yun yung naalala ko eh.
It's like parang may pagka lavender dominant
Yes,
din siya.
yes.
Very prominent yung lavender note niya dito sa umpisa. Yun yung makukuha mo. Nakukuha mo ba, napipick up mo ba yung pagka very juicy pineapple sa gitna? Once nagta-transition na,
Dahil na-mention mo,
nakukuha mo.
kanina yung amoy citrus ka ng citrus, hindi ko ma-pinpoint. Pero yes, amoy pinya siya.
Grabe. It's very oily sa umpisa. I don't know kung ilang concentration nito. This is extrait de parfum. Grabe.
May naalala pa akong pabango.
Ano naalala mo pa bango dito?
Gucci Guilty Elixir.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Correct. It's because of the parang yung herbally lavender vanilla niya na may
Parang-
konting bubble gum.
And parang may white florals din siya. Eh.
Meron siya floral, yeah. But yung floral niya hindi naman masyado ganun sobrang angat, no?
And vanilla ba yun? Yung parang matamis?
May-
Or
that's-
tongka?
May vanilla siya, but sometimes it acts like a tonka din.
So parang YSLY din.
Yun nga eh, may pagka YSLY EDT and YSLY EDT going to the transition. So imagine nyo, yung mga binanggit namin pabango, sa umpisa pa lang yun na yung napipick up namin. So I think
But wait,
meron pa siya eh. Meron pang lalabas dito eh. Which is,
ano yung naaamoy ko? Bakit parang feeling ko may pagka-fuger siya?
may pagka-fougere. Very aromatic siya. May pagka barbershoppy din siya yung
Sa
makukuha mo dito.
lavender ba yun?
I think that's coming from the lavender and mint. May mint din ako nakakuha and patchouli. Kasi patchouli and mint, lavender, vanilla, pag yan nag-base sa mga ingredient, it doesn't matter, top, mid, base, nasa list yan, it acts like a fougere style na fragrance. Actually, yung style nito, it's like parang may pagka-vintage territory din siya eh.
Galing. Ni sinabi mong vintage, okay, kanina kasi nag-drop tayo ng mga designers na kahawig niya.
Oo.
Pero sabi ko nga, parang there's something that reminds me of a fragrance you would associate sa mga late 90s.
Oo. It's like a parang it packs a punch, very very powerhouse yung datingan niya. Imagine mo isang spray pa lang but smooth yung transition. It doesn't give you that parang harshness sa opening. It doesn't vibe like that. It's just it screams quality. Dito na pumapasok yung pagka-quantity versus quality. Kahit 50 ml siya. Nakukuha mo dito yung pagka-green apple-ish.
Meron kasi
Ng-
YSL.
YSLY, no? Grabe. Very, very thick green apple. Yung parang pag unang
Kanina
kagat...
pinya, ngayon apple.
Oo nga, pagkagat mo ng yung mansanas na green, very, very juicy, very mouth-watery green apple. Another one na napipick up ko dito, Boss Terence, I don't know if it reminds me of vintage Lemal. Vintage Lemal or let's say mga new formulations ng
Yes,
Lemal,
yes.
yung datingan niya. It's because of the lavender, vanilla, tonka bean, and fruity bubblegum aspects.
Alam mo, ito gusto kita tanungin.
Yeah.
So para sa'yo, ang scent profile niya, do you think parang mas nasa designer territory siya or parang niche siya?
Actually, for me, it's a very designer-ish yung datingan niya. And hindi siya niche category eh. It's a very mass-pleasing scent. But it gives that parang if I would describe it as a designer, I would say mga 90% designer yung datingan niya mass-pleasing. Yung 10% remaining niya, it gives that parang vintage vibes. Don't get offended
Pero
or
designer realm.
designer realm pa rin siya. Hindi pa siya papunta dun sa niche category or magta-transition niche category. Kasi very pleasing siya. It's a very attractive scent for me. I think parang would you agree with me? Parang if let's say pinagsama mo si Iron Man, si Captain America, si Deadpool, si Spider-Man, and si Hulk, parang pinagsama mo yung mga inassemble mo, it becomes
Yeah.
Avengers.
Parang what Armin is trying to say is sa dami-dami naming nabanggit na designer, every now and then this will remind you of parang a modern designer fragrance that's out there in the market.
Yeah.
But then, may vibrance siya na parang vintage designer fragrance.
Yes.
So, do you
Grabe.
think, so, ano siya, parang easy to wear siya?
It's easy to wear, but the way I see it, wag kayong mag-overspray nito.
Ay, well, malakas siya. Buti nabanggit mo. Guys, malakas siya. Alam mo, nung spinray ko to,
Oo.
dalawang hugas na may sabon na, amoy ko pa rin
Nandun
sa balat. And you know my skin, pumapatay ng notes yan.
Ng
Pero andun pa
citruses
rin
and
siya.
other notes,
Yes.
yeah.
Saka on shirt, following day, andun siya.
Wow, grabe. Would you agree with me? I think malakas to maka-nose blind. Based on my experience, I think,
Well, hindi na ako magtataka.
Oo.
Kasi medyo, ako personally, yung vanilla and tonka part, nauumay ako.
ano,
dun
oh
eh.
my God, pero for me, sobrang, wow, just sa akin. It gets all my attention.
OA na naman reaction mo. Mababash na naman tayo dyan eh.
For me, it's a banger release from the brand of Swiss Arabian.
So sinagot mo na yung itatanong ko eh. Itatanong ko sa'yo kung yun nga, would you get this or not eh?
Actually, I would buy a bottle of this one. Okay? Itong Patchouli 01. It's a full bottle worthy for me. Kasi it ticks all the boxes ng gusto ko sa perfume pyramid. It's there. And as well, I think for the price niya, sobrang, you don't need to spend a big amount of money. Ikaw ba, gagastos ka ba sa binanggit natin ng mga pabango? Lahat-lahat yung pag pinagsama mo, how much sa tingin mo it will cost yun?
Well, sabi ko nga kay Armin kanina eh, kung yung Amouage na Outlands, it's a niche perfume na parang sobra kang maraming maalalang niche perfume. Ito naman is parang, it's a perfume na marami kang maalalang designer perfumes.
Yeah.
So, but ako, kung tatanungin mo, actually, personal opinion ko po, no
Yeah.
offense sa mga may gusto nito, parang I wouldn't say ito sa blind buy success. Kasi it reminded me a lot of perfumes that I have sa current collection ko. So parang it comes to me as parang magulo.
Okay.
Just because may mga naaalala akong pabango. But if the assumption is never ko naamoy yung mga nabanggit ko, generally speaking, mabango siya. And
Yeah.
I I think it's one of the easiest wearing na sa O1 line nila.
Mhm.
Sa tingin ko lang
Okay.
Kasi yung Incense O1 nung nakaraan, feeling ko hindi para sa lahat yun eh.
Hindi talaga it's a scent that will give you that parang a good
Kahit gustong-gusto ko
impression.
siya,
Oo.
medyo challenging siguro yung incense sa iba eh. So,
Yeah.
pero dito parang feeling ko mas kaya to suotin ng kahit sino.
Yeah. Would you agree with me that it has that parang soapy quality to it na may pagka-aquatic din siyang vibe?
Yeah, kasi parang dami niyang notes
Sobrang dami, yeah. You combine them all together, it's there. But there is this one note, singular note, that shines through this composition. It's the green fresh patchouli niya. Yun yung hindi pa rin mawawala from start to finish, nandun pa rin. Which make it talaga, from the name, says itself, patchouli O1. What type of a weather would you think na kaya nilang suotin tong pabango na to?
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, for me, versatile naman siya.
I would agree.
Because of, may lavender naman siya, may aromatic siya.
Yeah.
Again, parang fuger siya eh.
Yeah.
Pero again, at the base, andun talaga yung
Vanilla tongka bean
vanilla
combination.
tongka eh.
It doesn't fade away that
Pero
way.
parang hindi naman siya exclusively for cold weather lang eh. I think, pwede
Good
siya
for
sa
any
atin.
weather.
Pwede
Yeah.
naman.
For me, I would recommend it also on a hot summer days. But 3 sprays lang, you're solved na with this one. So make sure you on the 3 sprays that I'm recommending it, nakapag-apply ka na sa batok mo, sa braso mo, at sa damit mo. Ikaw nang bahala mag-adjust doon, ikalat mo na lang yon or dab-dab mo na lang, yun
Guys,
lang.
tama. 3 sprays lang, 50 ml lang to. Baka maubos.
Maubos siya, mahirap bumili niyan. And as well, it's one of the newest release ng Swiss Arabian. Hindi siya sa tingin ko sobrang madaling hanapin. Mahihirapan ka talagang makabili nitong pabango na to kasi not everyone is selling this patchouli O1 dito sa Pinas na to. Now, let's go on the ratings, Boss Terence. Ano ratings mo dito sa
Ako
patchouli O1?
mauna.
Yes.
Guys, sorry hindi kasing taas ng rating ko sa Incense O1. I'll just give this maybe a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. For me, my ratings dito sa Patchouli O1, it's a 9 out of 10. It caught my attention sa itong pabango na to. Love at first sniff ako dito kasi I really love those scents. Although hindi ako masyado mahilig sa YEDP, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa YEDT. Sa myself, I love myself and I love Lemal and Gucci Guilty Elixir. Okay? Something parang vintage meets modern.
Correct.
Parang nag-clash yung anong tawag doon, yung generation nila, no?
Parang si Armin yung vintage.
Oo.
Ako yung bagets.
At Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Meet together.
Oo.
Patchouli O1. Yeah. Now, let's go sa recommendations. Would you recommend this one dito sa audiences natin?
Well, yes. Kasi unang-una versatile siya. Well, some would argue na may kamahalan siya. But then, ang presyo niya is designer territory na rin eh. So if the proposition is parang it would replace multiple bottles of designer. Alam mo, minsan, hindi mo maisip anong susuotin mo.
Yeah.
O this, parang ito, maamoy mo lahat ng...
Exactly.
So parang magandang proposition din siya.
Yeah. And ako, may isa akong fact about sa itong perfume na to. Ito yung perfume na why I really love this scent so much and I give this 9 out of 10, high ratings. It's because it will save you a lot of money. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-layer ng mga ibang pabango na, let's say, kasi minsan, would you agree with me sometimes there are other days na magle-layer ka ng pabango just in case to be unique sa crowd
Iba yung amoy mo. Yes.
para hindi na nila
Yes.
manonotice kung ano suot mo pabango.
At hindi nila mahulaan ano sinusuot mo.
Exactly.
Oo.
Dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-layer pa. 3 sprays lang, solve na ang problema mo.
Para ka nang pumuntang Rustans tapos nag-spray-spray ka.
Oo, halo-halo na yung amoy mo
Ito yun.
and get satisfied with it. Lahat, satisfied ka. Lahat ng ingredients na makikita mo, na i-imagine mo sa perfume, it's in here. And anong klaseng okasyon sa tingin mo bagay sa Patchouli O1?
Alam mo, ako kahit ano dress down, dress up, pwede siya. Very
Yeah.
versatile talaga siya for me.
Very easy to wear siya. Masarap siyang suoting, especially right
And
now.
it doesn't smell cheap.
Yeah, it smells quality.
It smells quality.
Kanina sinabi ko na nga eh. It doesn't matter dito pala pumapasok yung quantity versus quality. Since this is a 50 ml, it shows the price pa lang halata na, and also the juice quality inside talagang top notch. And nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Parang gustong-gusto mo eh. Yun na.
Ay, grabe siya! Seryoso ka ba siya, Boss Terence? Thank you so much, Boss Terence. By the way, finally, I have owned already Patchouli Owan by Switzerland. Iba talaga pag big time. Till next time, Fragrance Family, huwag niyong kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin and keep spraying your perfumes and create memories out of it. Comment down below. Have you tried Patchouli O1? Have you tried yung mga fragrances na minentioned namin? Is it familiar to you? Is it a like? Is it a love? Is it a hate? Would you buy a bottle of Patchouli O1 for yourself? Would you add it to your collection? Or would you rather buy mga ibang pabango and layer it with yourself? Till next time, love y'all.
Init.
Sobrang init.
Init.
Sarap nito sa ipangligo, no?